Can you mute for a second?
Like that. Hmm?
Can you mute for a second? I need to sneeze.
Okay.
No, okay, no, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
You don't need to mute doing that. People love your sneeze.
Oh, you never heard my sneeze.
Oh, I missed it. It could have been me. I could have heard it.
I sound terrible when I sneeze.
No, I'm sure it sounds wonderful.
Oh, no. You will see. Okay, you can start, I guess.
Yeah.
You will hear some point. It's so bad.
No, I think now you're hyping me up. Now I have to know how it sounds like.
No, it's so bad. It's really bad. Then Dylan, what do you wanna do?
Hmm?
What do you wanna do?
Anything.